Business model strategies. We call business model as well as business strategy. So a business model describes the basis of how organization creates, delivers, and captures value, economical, social, or other form of value. So there are three types of business models: pure brick, brick and click, pure click. Pure brick means traditional way of uh, doing the transaction business. So use only physical method for buying and selling process. So no electrical, that means no online transaction or anything. Physically doing the process, that buying and selling, then we call it as offline. Pure click, in the pure click organization and internet for the business and selling process. In this method, customer use the credit card to buy goods and services. eBay, e-shopping, we can take as pure click. So customer is not going to visit physically, everything online. Brick and click, which a company attempt to use both online and physical presence, offline and online. If both are using, we call brick and click. It also known as click and mortar or click and brick. Click mean mouse click, that is digital. Brick mean gutter, that is tradition. So traditional way and the online way both are using, we call brick and click. Pure click mean only the online, e-commerce, eBay, that Daras, e-shopping. Then pure brick mean traditional shop. You visit the place and select the item. We can take pure brick. Then, okay, we'll write these two slides. Business functions and role of ICT. So accounting field, human resource field, production field, marketing and sales, supply chain management, business communications, secure payment mechanism. So those fields we apply the ICT. So we are going to discuss what are the roles of ICT in these fields. First one, accounting and IT. So using ICT in accounting functions, example, financial operations, summarizing records, accounting system include general ledger, GL, account payable, payroll system. So NetSuite cloud-based account system software is using for those accounting purpose. Benefits we can take: automate accounting process, decreases the accounting errors, then provide productions efficiency. The softwares are MyQB, QuickBook, NetSuite. So earlier days, accountant mean that the person accountant has lot of calculations, but now everything's we are using with the help of computer. It's very easy nowadays. Okay, and no errors. Then human resource and IT. So a system which merge join human resource management and information technology together to make one common database through the use of enterprise resource planning. ERP software is there. So the goal of HRIS, Human Resource Information System, is to merge with human resources such as payroll system, labor productivity, benefits management, talent management softwares, organ employee performance, and there are human resources and IT. There are some software packages, number of laborers, and their functions. So, for example, building house in engineering fields. So, how the human resources are going to control the cost for the laborers and number of working days and the work, like they are going to plot some charts with those. Then next one, production and ICT. IT used to design the product, manufacturing the product, and in the process of production. ICT is design in the product, manufacturing the product, and process of production. So ICT can apply for the designing, manufacturing, and the process of the products. So input can be tangible inputs as well as intangible inputs. So tangible inputs, we can say raw materials, semi-finished goods, the sub assemblies. Then those input transform processes there. Then output goods and services will come. So intangibles input something like the teacher is teaching. So we are giving intangible service for the student. Then output is good, obtaining good result. Okay. Then uh, in other factories, that mean cloth factories, they use the cloth and then they stitch and garment factories, they release the trousers, shirts, like that. They are manufacturing those things. So tangible inputs use materials, semi-finished goods, sub-assemblers, then intangible ideas, information. Then CAD softwares, computer-aided designing. CAD is used for the computer technology for the process of designing. Recently, I saw there's a software. It showing how the entire building is built from the foundation to top. Number of days, number of labors, and the cost for the production and the raw materials. Or entire building process is estimated with the package with the help of computer-aided designing. That means designers are going to design how the 3D view and front elevation, those point of. Then CAM, computer-aided manufacturing. CAM is used to control the machine tools and related machineries in manufacturing of workplace. Uh, car manufacturing companies, they use CAM softwares, computer-aided manufacturing. And if you want to design a car and if you give the design of the car, then that car producing companies, they use the computer-aided manufacturing software and model you that car 3D views, and then they will give the cost estimation for that. So then next one, simulations. Simulation software is used widely to design equipment to that final product will be as close to design the species spec as possible without expensive in the uh, process of modification. So simulation softwares, you may know the driving license simulation and pilot simulation. So simulators are used for the learners to learn how to get familiar with that field. Driving license, driving simulators, pilot simulators are example. Then marketing and sales in ICT. So use of IT in the field of marketing and sales. Example, use software, creating attractive advertisements, use internet and emails to advertise the product worldwide. Example, graphic softwares, animation softwares, database softwares, website designing, web development softwares, online advertisement and services, email advertisement and services are there. Then, yeah, only these two. Supply chain management, scam and IT. So supply chain management is a management of flow of goods and services. How the flow of goods and services is happening. It include the movement and storages of raw materials, work in process, inventories and finishing good from the point of origin to point of required place. It provides the highest degree of customer satisfaction at the lowest possible cost with the help of ICT. So mainly target for the customer's higher satisfaction. So until they get the customer satisfaction, supply chain management is going on. First, gather the raw materials, supply it, then manufacturing, distribution, customer, then finally consumer. So customer and consumers are two categories. Customer is the person who has purchased the product. Consumer is the person who is going to use it. Okay, so consumers are the person who is going to use. For example, your parents, mother is going to purchase a laptop for you. So mother is the customer, but you are the consumer. You are the one who is going to use it. Then final one, business communication and ICT. So business communication is used to promote a product, service, organization, communicate information within the business or deal with the legal and similar issues. So the relating between the supply chain, for example, consumer and manufacturers are there. So keep good communication between customer and the service provider. So business communication used to promote the product, services, organization, communities, information with the business to deal the legal and similar issues. Example, web-based communication, emails, e-presentation, video, audio conference. So these notes are actually in 2018 one, and yesterday I updated few. But while explaining this one, you can think how you can promote some service with the help of Facebook, Instagram ads, okay, WhatsApp group. Just think the normal traditional way of businesses can uplift with the help of online. Social groups, marketing strategies are there. Okay, so how you can implement. So on these days, all the questions are based on that type. So these are the basic theory which available in the syllabus, but the questions are coming how you are going to apply current situation, Bitcoins, Facebook, Twitter advertisement, how to establish and get the good name among the society, and the other hand, value added points for the product. For example, last year there was a question, tomato production. So tomato production, selling, that person had an issue with selling the tomatoes in the off season. So tomatoes durability is something somewhere like 1 or 2 weeks. So what are the value added services? So they are making snacks with the help of tomatoes, and that mean add something and dry it and use it later time. That means season time it's available, but non-season times, for example, check cost අටු cost කරලා වේල ගන්න. අන්න ඒ වගේ අරගෙන කොහොමද ඒක ප්‍රොමෝට් කරන්නේ? ලංකාවේ තියෙන cost පිටරට වික්කොත් කොහොමද? හරි 40,000ට විකිනවනේ ඕස්ට්‍රේලියාවල. ඒතර ඒක ලංකාව දිනු කරන්න කොහොමද පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ? ඒ වගේ ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න පුළුවන්. ඇහුවා ගිය පාර ඇහුවා තක්කාලි කොහොමද කල් තියාගෙන ක්‍රමයේ අරගෙන මේ කොයි විදිහට තියාගන්නේ කියලා. ළඟ perishable items කියලා ළඟ අයට විකුණනවාද දුර අයට විකුණනවාද? ඒතර මේ තියරි එක දිහා බලාගෙන අපිට අපේ knowledge එක පාවිච්චි කරලා දාන්න පුළුවන් ක්‍රමයක් අහන්න. ඒතර මේ තියරි එක මේ විදිහටම අහන්නේ නැහැ. හරි. දැන් මෙතන කියව තව එකක් බිල්ඩින් ඩෙවලොප් කරද්දි මම දැක්ක මේ ගිය සතියේ software එක ඒ බිල්ඩින් එක ෆවුන්ඩේෂන් එකේ ඉඳන් top level complete වෙනකන් දවස් ගානට වැඩ කරන ඕනේ වර්කර්ස්ලා ගානයි, ඒකට අවශ්‍ය කොස්ට් එකයි, මේ මැටීරියල්ස් ටිකයි, විනාඩි 5ක වීඩියෝ ක්ලිප් එකක් වගේ එක සිමුලේටර් එක යන්නේ සම්පූර්ණ බිල්ඩින් කන්ස්ට්‍රක්ෂන් එක ඉවර වෙනකම් යනවා. ඒතර අපිට ඕන මේ ටාගට් එක රික්වයර්මන්ට්ස් එක දුන්නා මේ සිමුලේටර් එකෙන් අපිට සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම හදන්න. ඒතකොට ඉන්ජිනියරින් සිවිල් ඉන්ජිනියරින් ලේසි මොන කී දෙනෙක් ඕනද මොනවද අවශ්‍යතාවය ඒ වගේ චෙක් කරනවා. ඒතර මේවා ෆීචර්ස් මේ තියරි එක බේස් කරගෙන අපිට ඇඩ් කරන්න පුළුවන් මොනවද කියලා හිතන්න. හරි මේ තියරි එක 2018 තියරි එක මම අප්ඩේට් ඊයේත් අප්ඩේට් කරා. ඒ වුණාට විභාගෙට අහන්නේ ඔයාලගේ knowledge එක මොනවද IT ෆීල්ඩ් එකෙන් මේ කම්පැනි එක දිනු කරන්න පුළුවන් දේවල්. හරි ඇඩ්වර්ටයිසින් Google Maps දීලා ප්‍රොමෝෂන් කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ කියන්නේ Google Map එකේ ඇඩ්වර්ටයිස් කරන්න පුළුවන්. හරි ලොකේෂන් එකක් සර්ච් කරලාට අන්න ඒ වගේ. දැන් මේ පොයින්ට්ස් ටික විතරක් කියලා වෙන්න එපා. Finally, secure payment mechanism. It was not there. I'm the one who added it. Secure payment methods. ඒකට කලින් චුට්ටක් නේ. Telecommuting කියන්නේ ගෙදර ඉඳන් ජොබ් කරන ඒවා. Online jobs. Okay. Secure payment mechanism, payment gateways. A payment gateway is an online service that authorize and customers payment for online businesses. PayPal, Surge, and Pay Here are available in Sri Lanka. So secure credit card payments are there. Then third-party systems, PayPal, then mechanism data encryptions, micro credit payments methods, bitcoins are there. Then threads තියෙන්න පුළුවන් අපිට online වල privacy, product commercialization. හරි. Bitcoin microbits ඔයගොල්ලෝ අහලා තියෙනවනේ. Microbits contains the blockchain, a sequence of block that is public and cannot modify. ඒක ඉස්සෙල්ලාම Bitcoin එක purchase කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒක chain එකක් විදිහට ඔයාලගේ income එක වැඩි කරගෙන යන්න පුළුවන්. Each block represents a coin. මුලදී initial cost එක යනවා. ඔයගොල්ලෝ කරන online jobs වලදී ඒක වැඩි කර යන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම system එකක් තියෙනවා. You must copy this one, this, all these up to, yes, up to 6, and then 7th one, secure payment mechanism. Okay, we'll start copying. මේක තියරි එක විතරක් නෙමෙයි, තියරි එකට කොහොමද IT knowledge එක අද දවසේ IT knowledge එක පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ. හරි. ලියමු.